guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a glasses review, which you guys know I love glasses, and I was asked to check out a few pairs by a wonderful company. They sent me some glasses in some frames, so I want to show you guys what I got. I'm super excited they sent them to me. Thank you guys so much, and I really love what I got. I was able to choose some frames off of their website, so I'm really excited to share them with you guys today. So I got my package in the mail, and the company is called Tijn, or T-I-J-N, and their campaign right now is Life is Art. And I was able to pick some frames off of their website, and I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. I really like the packaging that their products came in. They each came in their own little box, and again, their slogan is Life is Art right now, so super excited. So when I opened them up, they each came in their own little holders, which I thought were super cute. They're really nice and sleek, and they have these little closed parts on them. I think they look so nice. Honestly, they have such a cool collection. It was hard for me to choose which frames I wanted, but I narrowed down to these two pair. I got the Emma frame, and I also got the Gabriela frame. And these are my blue light glasses, and I think they're so cool. I'm definitely gonna be using these. These are probably my favorite out of the two, but they're both so unique, different, and I'll definitely be adding these into my collection. So these are the blue light frames. These are called the Gabrielas, and I got them in the opal tortoise shade, and they're so cute. These are probably my favorite glasses. They are blue light, and I'm always on my laptop, so these will definitely come in handy when I'm on, using screen time and just want some eye protection on my eyes. I am a contact lenses wearer, so I have prescription glasses, and I have contacts, and I'm always usually wearing contacts. But this is what they look like. They're so cute, and I love the look. I love the color, the tortoise color on them. I think they're so cool, and I'll definitely be wearing these. So right now I am wearing my contacts just because I can't see without them, but these are so cute. Sorry, I'm looking at myself in the lens and they look so good. Okay, but those are that pair. This is the Emma and Sandstone. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is what they look like. Super cute. These are non-prescription. I am wearing contacts right now, which is how I'm able to see you guys, but they're super cute. I love the color. This is what they look like. Different. Really cute, stylish. The sides are gold, and the frame is like this sandy brown color. Really cute. So that's not pair. And then they threw in an extra box, and I was like, what is this? Like, what is this? I opened it up, and it was a pair of sunglasses that I did not put on my order. Let me see if there's a name for these ones. These are the Morgan sunglasses, so I was surprised that they threw these in. Thanks so much to the company. But these look like this. They give me really big hippie vibes. I don't know. And they're, when I put them on, it's like a yellow tint to them, so these are some sunglasses that I can add to my collection. Super cute. They also came in another really nice case. So I got all these really pretty, like, neutral toned cases. I think they're so nice. They're so nice to touch. Smooth, easy to close. I think they're so cute. But these are all the glasses I got. I'm super excited to add these to my collection. Got the pair of sunglasses. These are the Morgan in rose gold. These are the Gabriela in opal tortoise. These are the blue light frames. And then the last ones were the Emma in sand brown. So super cute. I got all these cute glasses, and I think they're just so cute. So their website is TijinEyewear.com if you want to check out their frames. They have so many really cool options, different styles. It was so hard for me to choose, honestly. It was hard for me to choose which ones I wanted, but I went with these two, and I'm really glad I did. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. Shout out to Tijn Eyewear for sending me these frames. I'm so excited to add them to my collection, and I hope that you'll check them out. They have a website at TijinEyewear.com, and they also have an Instagram at Tijn Eyewear if you want to check that out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.